This 2007 Newmar Kountry Star 3912 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features a black opal interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, external shower, TV antenna, skylight, DVD player, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2007 Newmar Kountry Star 3912 is built on a Spartan Mountain Master GT with ISL chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISL 400 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.